guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are opening this Glossy box, and I have never had a Glossy box before. I don't really know what to expect. My best friend Katie got it for me for my birthday, which is in like 2 weeks. So I am going to attempt to open this. I'll be right back. I've destroyed the box, but I've got it open. So I'm gonna set it over here and we are going to pull stuff out. And I'm not wearing makeup because I want to try on everything. So we have a box inside a box. So let me pull this box out. I really like this box. It's really cute. So I think I'm gonna keep it. Okay. And now we have this. So I guess I'm gonna have to like see what's in the box instead of doing it my normal way. It says Glossy Box Retreat. Oh, and here's all the items. And then it's got this cute little paper. I really like the presentation so far. Alrighty. So the first thing I see is the invisible bobble hair tie scrunchie in leopard print. That's really cute. I'm gonna have to use this. I got the little plastic ones. They're like swirly, like that big, and those always break on me. So hopefully this one will work better. Let's see if it has prices in here. Let's see, and that is $8. Okay, and then the next thing I have is this, I don't know how to say it, so I'm not even going to try to butcher it. It's a Supreme Rejuvenating Mask for your hair. So you have to put this on wet hair, so we're not going to do this one either. Oh, I need toner. Okay, so this is the Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner, all skin types. I'm going to put this on in a minute. Then we have a Hydrating Overnight Mask in Soothing Chamomile. I want to smell this. Let's see if it's open. Oh, no. I'm going to have to open it. It kind of smells herbal, but it's really jelly. Like, look, tickle, tickle, tickle. I wonder what the other stuff smells like. Let's see. Oh, that smells like roses. This smells like roses. Let's see what this smells like. I like that everything has a safety seal on it, including this hair mask. I'm surprised I can smell it because my nose is kind of stoppy. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like fresh. So fresh, so clean. Oh, I've got this pink nail polish. It looks so fancy. Matter of fact, I have one nail, two nails, one on each hand. How do I get it open? Oh, it pulls off this way and then you turn it. So we're going to try it on one of my nails. Oh, this is a pretty color. This would be really good with a French manicure. And this is one coat. That one right there. I really like that. And lastly, we have, I think this is a candle. Ooh. It's Salt Air Cucumber by Toka. Let's see. I think it's a candle. Oh my God, it smells so amazing. I was about to say, smell this, y'all. Oh my gosh, I have to light this like right now. Y'all, this smells so good. I'm in love, and it's in like a little shot glass. It's so cute. It's gonna stay in here. Okay, now we're gonna try this toner. Maybe. Okay, so final thoughts on the Glossy box. I think that if you like hair care and skincare and stuff like that, as opposed to makeup, this would be like perfect for you. It gives you a lot of ways to try stuff out. I didn't get any makeup in mine, so I'm going to assume that they don't send makeup, but I may be wrong. Really quick, I wanted to go through the products. The candle was $42. Holy crap. It smelled really good. I've had it burning until just a minute ago. The nail polish was $15. The overnight mask was $14.99. The rose toner, which smells so amazing, is $26. And the hair mask was $14. And I tried the toner on and it just smells so good. Like right now, my bathroom smells like cucumber and roses. So I think it's cool that it came with a candle. Like I wasn't expecting that, and I'm kind of obsessed with this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye.